In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Webflow with Stripe. Quick tutorial. We're going to connect Webflow to Stripe using Zapier, which lets your site talk to Stripe without custom code. By the end, you'll have the connection in place and be ready to automate tasks like capturing orders or updating collections when payments happen. First, log into Webflow and open your dashboard. From there, head into the marketplace. If you don't see it right away, look for it in the top navigation of your dashboard. Inside the marketplace, switch to the Apps section. You'll find a search bar at the top. Use it to search for the Zapier app. When you see the Zapier listing, open it and click Install App. You might be asked to confirm workspace or site permissions. Go ahead and allow the access so Zapier can communicate with your Webflow projects. After installation, you'll see an option to connect Webflow to thousands of apps. Click that to jump into Zapier. Zapier will open in a new tab and show you options to create an automation called a Zap. In Zapier, start a new Zap. For the trigger app, choose Stripe. If you don't immediately see Stripe, type its name into the search field and select it. Next, choose the Stripe event you want to listen for. Common choices include a successful payment or a completed checkout session. Pick the one that matches your goal so your automation fires at the right moment. Confirm your choice to create the trigger. Now you'll connect your Stripe account. When you see the account or app connection field, select Stripe and click Connect Stripe. A secure authorization window will open. Follow the prompts to sign in, select the correct Stripe account if you manage multiple, and grant permission. When Zapier asks you to continue to Stripe, click Yes. Continue to Stripe to finalize the connection. Once authorized, you'll land back in Zapier with Stripe successfully linked to your Zap. From here, Zapier will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts. Since you installed the Webflow app earlier, Zapier can route your Stripe trigger into a Webflow action, such as creating or updating content. Keep an eye out for any permission prompts and allow them as needed. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Use Stripe's test mode while you build and verify your Zap. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked during authorization, and confirm you have the right Webflow and Stripe permissions for your workspace. That's it. The connection between Webflow and Stripe is now in place.